So the first topic we're going to have a look at today is the ability to copy and paste from Excel. The enhancements being we can now copy and paste more than one row into the same document in SAP Business One. The benefits being we can speed up transaction processing and also reduce the need for data transfer workbench for simple copy and paste requirements. So we'll just come into SAP Business One, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to open up Excel. And we can see here I have just populated some information into Excel. So I've just typed in item number, quantity and unit price. I'm just going to highlight that information, right click, copy, and I'm going to come into SAP Business One, and I can choose any of the marketing documents, so anything in sales or even in purchasing. In fact, let's just use a purchase order perhaps. I'm just going to select my supplier. And then I'm just going to come down to the rows area. I'm going to right click and paste. I'm going to say yes, that's fine. And we can now see that what we've done is very quickly and easily copied information from Excel into SAP Business One. This is also available at journal entry level. So if I just come back into Excel and come back into this tab here, which is some information I've copied, I've created for a journal. Again, I'm going to highlight, right click and copy, and I'm just going to come into SAP Business One, journal entry, and I'm just going to right click on the lines area, and I'm going to just select paste, and I'm just going to say yes, that's fine, and we can now see that information's come in nice, quickly and easily. What I can also do is copy back from SAP Business One into Excel. So I'm just going to type in a few more general ledger codes. And this time I'm going to right click and copy table, and then come back into Excel. And we'll just create a new sheet, and let's just paste that in. And you can see how quickly and easily we were able to copy back from SAP Business One into Excel. So we don't just have this functionality available on marketing documents and journals, we can also do this, for example, with price lists too.